Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches. You can visit my website, which is in the description below, and it is makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now today I am going to be looking at a product called TYPE4CA. Now this is a sort of software product, 100% cloud-based product, and it is a lot of different things rolled into one. But what I'll do is I'll go over, because I've got access to the members dashboard, so I will go over. We can have a look at that later on in the video. This product is brought to you by a guy called Branson, and it's launched Saturday the 25th of September. I think it was 10 AM EST, and it's going to be available throughout the launch period. But what I'll do is I'll take you over to my bonus page and we can go and have a look at how much the product costs and what other otos they are, upsells, what other discounts there might be available throughout the funnel, and we can do that after we've had a look at the sales page. So we'll go over now, have a look at the sales page, see what the claims are for TYPE4CA. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for TYPE4CA, and it is quite hypey. Obviously they're saying it pays $260.59 an hour to type simple words online for free. You don't need experience, no skills needed, no website needed, no expenses involved. You get paid every hour for typing online. Fastest income they've ever made in 2021, 70 beta tested, made money in 24 hours. You can get started in 2 minutes, and there's a money back guarantee. Basically what they're saying is all you're doing is typing for cash. So you can play this video. This is the sales page. Obviously what I have got a demo video available on my sales page. Now that demo video is 16 minutes long. So what I'll suggest is you click on the first link in the description box below, scroll down and have a look at the demo video and go through at your own pace of how this thing works, because there's quite a lot of content within the website and the software. So this is the sales page. Basically TYPE4CA, a low one-time price $17. I think at the start of this there's a $2 coupon off, so it makes that $15. But we can have a look at all the different things in the funnel. Like I say, we could go over to the bonus page and check out all the bonuses that are available. Decide to pick up the TYPE4CA with my link in the description below. So let's have a look at the bonus page. Okay, so this is the bonus page for TYPE4CA, and you still got a few more days of the launch period, and this is the extent of their funnel. I see that there's quite a lot of different upgrades available throughout the funnel. Now the front end starts at $17, and I think there's a $2 off coupon if you move away from the page when you first land on that page. So then the first upgrade is $47 with a downsell of $37. Then the second upgrade $297 with a downsell of $197, so you're saving $100 straight away. The third upgrade is $97, and you save $30 on that one because the downsell is $67. Then there's the upgrade for $67 with a downsell of $47. Upgrade 5, $167 and a downsell of $67. So there's another $100 off. And then you've got upgrade 6, $297 and a downsell for $97. Upgrade 7, $77 and a downsell for $37. So throughout this whole funnel there's a lot of savings to be had. So basically let's have a look. We've got obviously the descriptions of the different front end, upsells, upsell 2, the hands-free automation, which is upsell 3, the income multiplier, upsell 4, the limitless traffic upsell 5. The franchise license is upsell 6. And then you've got the 5-minute emergency cash. That's upsell 7. So there's a lot involved in this particular funnel for TYPE4CA. So let's have a look at the bonuses. Like I say, you can check out this demo video. It's 16 minutes long, and it will walk you through step by step of the different things within the members area. But I have got access, so what I'll do is I'll go and take you through that after we've looked at my bonuses. So we've got on bonus number 1, the hack. It's access to the ClickBank Mastery course. Bonus number 2 is the bonus page builder tutorial. Bonus number 3 is boost your SEO. And bonus number 4 is access to Fuego Breakout, which is another training course. So those are the 4 bonuses I have. You would still be entitled to receive all of the vendor bonuses as well. And so this is my bonus page. Any of these yellow buttons on this bonus page will take you through to the sales page for TYPE4CA, where you can have a look at the different claims, and it's a very long sales page. You should have a look. It's really, really in-depth on that sales page. Lots of testimonials and figures all over about claims of what people have made. But you know, you don't have to believe anything that you see online these days. I would basically take all of that with a pinch of salt and then just go and watch the demo video, I think, first to see if this is something that you resonate with. Okay, so that's about it really on my bonus page. Let's go now and check out the dashboard for TYPE4CA. So here we are on the TYPE4CA dashboard. Now, this is basically showing nothing at this moment because it's not being used. But once you actually start to use this, the dashboard on the front page of the dashboard would show your campaigns, your views, your shares, and so you would have graphs and you would have information about all of the products that you've used to put out there. And this would get populated as you use the software. So basically the first thing that you will look at is this section here, training, which then opens up in a new page. So on this new page that opens up for the training, you have the demo video, which you can get access to. Like I said, before you purchase, you can get access to that demo video. Just click on my link, the first link in the description box, and then take a look at that. Then you've got more training here. You've got Facebook post, a training on the Facebook post element within the software. So it takes you through again step by step on that. Then you've got the Facebook comment automation training here. And again, that will show you what you need to do. Then you've got your Facebook reply automation, another video which again will take you through how to use this part of the software. Then you've got Instagram post. This one again, another training, takes you through step by step Instagram post. And then you've got page cache, which is another section within the software that you can use, and it will take you through how you use that section. It's like a mini sort of landing page. And then you've got TYPE4CA. And again, it will take you through step by step that particular section of this software. So that is the training part of TYPE4CA. Now if we go back to the dashboard, you can have a look and see every one of these here is got a section. So this, where you click on the cache page, you've got a new page cache. Basically those are sort of like landing pages that you can make. Then you've got your downloads, okay? Then you've got the TYPE4CA, so you've got automatic writing. So then when you click on this one for new writing, takes you into a separate section whereby you can then name the campaign that you're writing about, and you can click on the drop down lists here and choose what sort of writing you want to be doing, sales letter, TikTok marketing, a webinar, upsells, make money online affiliate offers. So basically you click on any one of those templates and it brings it up here, whereby then you can maybe alter it, do a little bit of alteration, and copy and paste it and use it for yourself online. And you can save all of these as templates and things. So that's writing within this typing for cash here. You've got presetting your own writing, and then you've got social cash. Now if you look at this section, just social cash, you've got Facebook posting, multimedia posts, call to action post, carousel video posts. You've got Facebook autopilot, comment template, reply template, automation campaign and report. You've got Instagram posting. You've got Instagram autopilot, comment template, reply template, automation campaign and report. And then you've got social blast. So that's within this social cache section. Then you've got the multi-channel cache section, which takes you through email campaigns. So you can connect API settings from your email campaigns, and then you've got different sequences and templates and email campaigns within this section. Then you've got SMS, which are text messages, so you set up API settings for that, and you've got campaigns, templates and other sequences within that section. Then you've got utility cache. This particular part, site comparison, is where you can actually put your website up against a competitor website and generate some statistics on how that website compares to your website, the traffic, and different statistics on that website. Then you've got link cloaking. So basically what this does is, if you've got an affiliate link that you've generated and you want to shorten it to make it a little bit easier to share on social media, you use this particular thing to shorten the URL and then create different links that you can share on all the different social platforms. Even if you want to put something that resonates with people and put it over an image, you could be sharing an image which has a shortened URL, so people can actually see the URL without it actually being on the social media. It's on the image. So all people have to do is go to their browser, type in the shortened URL to get straight to your affiliate link. So that would be magic, wouldn't it? So that is what's inside of TYPE4CA. So really, for $17, there's quite a lot of software here inside of this product. It's not something that I would use, to be quite honest, but there's people out there that might need something like this. So yeah, that's why I do these reviews, because some people need to be able to generate text, generate emails and use a product like this. So anyway, for $17, it's quite, I thought, value for money anyway. So that's all for today with this review, TYPE4CA. If you like these review videos, like I say, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you would be notified whenever I'm upload a new video to my channel. And that's all for now. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.